Okay, again we'll proceed to create the concrete parts, which is the footing and the tie beams. So we'll go to the concrete, then footing, we'll select pad footing, and we click on shift also. Then the pad footing here profile, this is the area of the pad footing. We will use 1500 by 1500, means 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter, and the material we will select concrete 4000, apply, okay. This is the color, I'll keep it gray. Then from the top and bottom levels, the thickness of the concrete will be decided also. So as here, as you see, we have this grout 25 mm, so our top level of the concrete will be at -25, and the bottom level will be at -525. Okay, now we will click the at the center of the column. Then our concrete foundation created like this, right click interrupt, but we don't want to put the concrete foundation at this level. We want to place it lower because there is a concrete pedestal which the base plate will rest on that pedestal. So click on this foundation. Again, we will lower this foundation if we assume the pedestal like 1 meter. So this one, top of the foundation, will be at -1025, and the bottom level will be at -1525, and modify. So we will create the pedestal between the base plate and the foundation. Go to the concrete column, and by holding shift and click, we are getting this profile. So we will change the pedestal to 600 by 600. The material also should be 4000, apply, OK. And this is the color. I will use also gray color, and the top level of the pedestal will be -25, and the bottom level will be -1025 mm. Then click here. So this is the pedestal, right click interrupt. So we have the pedestal and the foundation created like this. Okay, then this foundation will be copied to the other grids. So by selecting the pedestal and the foundation, right click, copy. We can copy from this grid to this grid, and to this grid also, to this grid, and finally to grid 7, expand, right click interrupt. Okay, now we will select all these foundations and pedestals from this side to be copied to the other side. And we can right click, copy from grid A to grid C, expand. Okay, so like this we have created the foundations. Now the grid 4 and 5 columns here will be rest on one foundation and one pedestal. So Again, if we go to the pad footing, click and hold shift, the foundation, we will select 1500 by 2500, it will be bigger. The same elevations, and we have to click in between. So again, right click interrupt, we have to create the pedestal, click and shift on the column. The pedestal, we will make it 600 by 1200. Then also click the midpoint, and like this we are creating the pedestal. The pedestal can be rotated to the other direction. Click on the pedestal and then use here 1 to 100, and here we will use the 600 and modify. Pedestal will be like this, and we can even reduce this one, make it like 800, it will be enough. Right click interrupt. So like this we are creating the foundation and pedestal at the joint, and select both and right click copy from this grid to that grid, expand, right click interrupt. Like this we create the foundation on the other side. Now we can connect the tie beams in between. Okay, we will proceed the tie beams. Hold shift and click on the beam. Okay, we are getting this profile 800 by 500, and it's okay. Let us use the concrete 4000. Okay, color, we will select the same gray color, and then we'll start from mid of this pedestal to mid of this pedestal, then from this pedestal to this pedestal, then we'll proceed. Okay, like this. Right click interrupt, then select all these tie beams, right click copy from grid A to grid C. Okay, already created. Now at the end of the building we will also again go to the beam, the same profile, and we'll create from sorry, we didn't create the foundations and for these columns in pedestal. Right click interrupt. We can also select this foundation and this pedestal, then this foundation and this pedestal. Right click copy from this grid to this grid, interrupt, and for this one select, right click copy from this column to this column, right click interrupt. Okay, we can also copy this pedestal and this foundation, right click copy from this column to this column to this column, right click interrupt. Okay, now let us connect the tie beams here. Click on the beam, and from mid of this pedestal to mid of this pedestal, this pedestal to this pedestal also, and then from this pedestal to this pedestal, the other side also, from this pedestal to this pedestal, then from this pedestal to this pedestal. Okay, then we need to create the tie beams here also. Click on the beam, and from middle of this pedestal to middle of this pedestal, and from middle of this pedestal to middle of this pedestal. Right click, interrupt. We can also connect these pedestals from middle of this pedestal to middle of this pedestal. Okay, then from middle of this pedestal to middle of this pedestal. So up to this point, all the concrete parts have been created, and this is the end of this tutorial. If you have any comments, please just mention under this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press like button to proceed for more videos for the structural and civil engineering. Thank you for watching.